the I-130 marriage requirements, we have a lot of individuals who ask us questions about the I-130 marriage requirements and whether or not the individual has to get married in their country of origin and whether or not the marriage has to occur in a certain place. And so I'd like to just kind of break down some of those myths and rumors about what it is exactly that's required for the marriage requirements for the I-130. On the I-130 petition, that is the petition that you file when you're married to a United States citizen or a lawful permanent resident. It's also used to petition other family members as well, but I would like to focus in on the context of couples because that's what we do here at our firm. So the requirements for an I-130 are that the marriage requirements are that you have to have a good faith marriage. That means a marriage based on love and not just solely to receive an immigration benefit. And that's why you have to provide all of your relationship evidence to tell your love story to immigration. You also have to be legally free to marry. And that means that you, if you had a prior marriage, that it ended in divorce, annulment, or death. And so you have to be legally free to marry. You can't be married to more than one person. So that's one part of the requirement. And the other requirement is that you have to actually legally be married. So in addition to that bona fide good faith relationship, you also have to be legally married. That marriage can occur in any state and in any country. You aren't required to be married in the United States. You're not required to be married in the country where the immigrant is from. It just has to be a legally binding marriage in that state or in that country. And for that requirement, we highly recommend you can look at the National Visa Center reciprocity table. If you decide that you want to have a destination wedding in another country, understanding the requirements there, what the legal requirements are for marriage will be key because you want to make sure that you have a legally binding marriage in that country. And then if you are married in the United States, the state-specific laws, you would just look at each state and just make sure you have a legally binding marriage there and have the proof that is required by immigration that that marriage is legally binding. So there's no requirement that it has to occur in a certain location. That seems to be a rumor that's going around. So we're going to make sure that that was clear what the real requirements are and what requirements actually aren't. So that is that question.